Once you've hit your goal, you should definitely congratulate yourself and take a few weeks off. And then set a new goal. The goals could be losing more weight if you need it, or trying to fit into an old piece of clothing, maintaining the weight you've lost, building muscle and recomposing your figure. It's vitally important that you do something, because otherwise you're going to be like, been there, done that, and then you're just going to let yourself go. So whatever your new goal is, you now have the knowledge how to cut weight at any time for any reason. That was my mission from the beginning. That is also the reason why I've kept my weight off from the transformation video for the past several years. Once you understand how to actually cut weight, you can bulk up in the gym building muscle if you want, and then cut down later in the summer. We've talked about body types in this course. If you're overweight, then you're more than likely the body type that can build muscle very easily. Most people don't have a hard time building muscle, they have a hard time losing weight. And you are now a master of losing weight. You can take the truth about weight loss and the principles learned and expand further and achieve greater results than I did. Because there's no one way to do it, as long as you understand the truth that you must be in a calorie deficit. The way I did it, I explained to the best of my abilities, as truthful as possible. Calorie count the foods you are currently eating until you hit a wall. Act 2, expand on the truth. Mix up how and when you eat to keep your metabolism going. Doing one thing different in your diet every time you hit a wall. And Act 3 is get moving. Giving your metabolism a boost with some sort of exercise to build muscle and burn fat. It's these 3 acts or steps that I use to transform my body. Having said that, acts, like in a movie, can't be played out simultaneously. You need to play out Act 1 first, then Act 2, and then Act 3. It's the best way to keep your metabolism humming, and it's the best way I found to not fail, because doing everything at once is a recipe for disaster. This course is, again, exactly what I did to make my transformation video, and now it's yours. It worked for me, it's worked for everyone I've coached, and now it's worked for you. I greatly appreciate you for allowing me to teach you my course, and I want to hear from you. So please let me know the results you've received. I look forward to hearing from you. This is Nino Aldi from 3 Act. Take care and God bless.